quiet on the last one. Wah, wah. Very good, dude. Very good. Excellent. You did well. Dude, this is a technique that I stole from the King. Okay, there's the King is John Farnham, and he uses this. I remember doing, take the pressure down, but he used to flick things like that. So he does that and take the pressure down. He doesn't sing that in that song. I was just working on that yesterday with a student called Russell, and I can feel it rising like a storm. I can feel it. So he's just flicking like that. It's used a lot. A lot of singers use that flicking technique. Okay, so I'm going to run that one off for you. I'll stop this recording here now.